natural facial mask for glowing skin. Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Glow from Nature by Vichheka. If you're looking for a natural way to brighten your skin, reduce dark spots, and get that youthful glow, today's video is just for you. I'm going to show you how to make a simple but powerful facial mask using just for all natural ingredients: wheat flour, aloe vera gel, honey, and spirulina powder and flax seeds. These ingredients are gentle, nourishing, and super effective. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need to prepare this amazing facial mask: 3 spoons of wheat flour, 3 spoons of aloe vera gel, 2 spoons of flax seeds, 1 spoon of honey, 1 spoon of spirulina powder. How to make the mask in a clean bowl. Add the wheat flour, aloe vera gel, flax seeds, honey, and spirulina powder. Mix everything well until you get a smooth, thick paste. Once your mask is ready, apply it evenly on your clean face using a brush or your fingertips. Let it sit for about 25 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel. For best results, use this mask 3 times per week. You'll begin to notice your skin becoming brighter, smoother, and healthier with regular use. Now, let's talk about what makes each of these ingredients so amazing for your skin. Wheat flour. This everyday kitchen ingredient is full of zinc and vitamin E, which help lighten pigmentation, exfoliate dead skin cells, and brighten dull skin. It improves skin texture and gives your face a fresh, clean look. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and lignans. They help boost collagen production, improve skin elasticity, and keep your skin plump and hydrated. The natural oils also help soothe dry, irritated skin. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is incredibly soothing and hydrating. It cools irritated skin, reduces redness, and provides deep moisture. It's also great for calming sunburns or inflammation, making your skin feel soft and nourished. Honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial and humectant, which means it helps prevent breakouts and retains moisture in the skin. It fades scars, unclogs pores, and gives your skin that soft, dewy glow. Spirulina powder. Spirulina is a green superfood packed with antioxidants and essential amino acids. It fights free radicals, promotes cell regeneration, and detoxifies your skin. This makes your face look more youthful and radiant over time. This natural mask is perfect for anyone who wants to care for their skin without harsh chemicals. It's affordable, easy to make, works wonderfully on most skin types. So go ahead and treat your skin to something special today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Glow from Nature by Vichheka for more natural beauty tips and DIY remedies. Let your skin glow from the inside out naturally. See you in the next video.